everybody, and welcome back to Akshatas Recipes. Thank you so much for stopping by. Well, today's recipe is another Christmas recipe which I requested my very close and best friend Elona to give me the recipe, and she very graciously shared this recipe with me. Elona told me that this recipe is so easy that her two boys, Nathan and Ethan, they make it and they make it so well. So boys, I hope I do justice to the cake today and I hope I don't goof up anywhere. So let me know in the comments box below what you think of how I made the cake. Well, today I'd like to just share a small story. Elona and me, we became very close friends during our college days. And I used to be perpetually in Elona's house. And her mom, Auntie Madge, hi Auntie Madge if you're watching, is one of the best cooks I've met ever. I mean, I used to be at her home and she used to make these amazing fish curries and all types of recipes. And everything that she made was made with so much of love and it was just perfectly made. And Auntie, I remember I used to be at your home for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner. You used to feed us so well. I will never forget the food that you used to make, and I really miss your cooking. I remember even for birthday parties or whatever family get-togethers, Auntie used to make baked fish and lovely delicacies, and everything showed her love that she put into all of the recipes. And I'm sure Elona too is a fabulous cook. So today I'd like to dedicate this video to my friend Elona and her beautiful family, Winston too, her husband. And Elona, I hope I make you proud by making this recipe, and I'm really excited about making this ribbon cake today. So friends, today I'll be making a Christmas cake or a ribbon cake which really looks so beautiful on your Christmas tray. Your friends and family are going to definitely ask you for this recipe, and the taste is divine too. Like, as I was making the batter and I just wanted to taste it, it was tasting amazing, and it is made with ingredients which are so easily available. So friends, if you like this recipe, please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't hit the red subscribe button yet, hit it right now and subscribe to Akshatas Recipes and become a part of Akshatas Recipes family. And for all of those of you who have subscribed to my channel, I just can't thank you enough for believing in me, supporting me, trusting my channel, and taking the time out to go and log in and subscribe to Akshatas Recipes. I thank you from the bottom of my heart, and I'm going to be showing you many more recipes and vlogs and sharing my recipes with all of you, and vlogs where I share part of my life with all of you guys. So thank you so much to every one of you for subscribing to my channel. So guys, we'll get along and make this amazing.
Okay friends, let's start with the recipe. Now first I'm going to separate the yolks and the whites of 4 eggs. Now once that is done, we are going to whisk the whites till it becomes nice and foamy. So this will take about a minute or so. You can even use a hand whisk or an electric whisk. Now once that is done, we're going to take a large bowl, and in this bowl I'm going to first put in my yolks. Now I'm going to be adding icing sugar. I've taken 250 grams or quarter kilo of icing sugar, and I have sifted it or sieved it. That is very important. So we're going to whisk this till the sugar and the yolks get well mixed together, and the color also changes to a whiter color rather than a pale yellow. So whisk this well for about 2 minutes till everything is nice and mixed well together. as we whisk this, the cake becomes nice and airy and light and soft. Now we're going to add our beaten egg whites to the mixture, and I'm going to be using 250 grams or quarter kilo of maida or all-purpose flour. Again, please sift or sieve the maida or the all-purpose flour. Now I'm going to add 100 grams of butter plus 2 tablespoons of butter, and see that your butter is at room temperature. So add the butter and then again slowly keep adding all the remaining flour. So once that is done, we're going to fold the batter in well, and now we just have to add 3 more ingredients. First, we're going to add half a teaspoon of baking powder. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And we're going to add 2 tablespoons of drinking soda. This is the regular soda that you get at the general stores. Just add 2 tablespoons of the soda, and now just fold everything well together. Now we're going to divide the batter into 3 parts. That is, the middle part is the white part. Now to one of the parts I'm going to be adding a very light rose pink color, and see that you mix in the color very well so that there are no white parts left. Similarly, I'm going to add a light green color to the remaining batter which I've taken. So now we have the 3 Christmas colors. I didn't want to go for a very bright red or a bright green, so I've taken the softer light pink and the light green. Now I've taken a cake tin like this and lined it with some butter paper or parchment paper. First I'm going to be adding the white batter, smoothen it out well. Then we're going to add all of the green batter. Remember, we're using only half of the white batter for the base. Then goes in the green batter. Again, smoothen that out with your spatula or the back of a spoon. Next we'll go in some pink color, the pink color batter. So now we're going to add the pink color batter after leveling the green. And once that is done, we're going to add the remaining white batter that we have. So level out the pink one also on top of the green. And then we're going to add the white. So add all of the remaining white batter. Now I'm using this type of a cake tin because it becomes into a kind of a loaf rather than having the flat cake tin. This is a better option, but you can use whatever cake tin you have available. And now we're going to smoothen it out a bit with a back of a spoon. And now I'm going to take a very a pointed knife. You can use a knife, you can use a chopstick, you can use a very sharp, any sharp instrument like this. We're going to just swirl the batter so that the colors get very nicely in a ribbon shape. They come into a ribbon shape once you cut the cake, once it's baked. You'll see the beautiful colors. And then again just level the top of it or smoothen the top of the cake once more. Now we're just going to bake our cake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. until the top of it is nice and golden brown, and once you put a knife into it, it should come out very smooth. That means your cake is all ready. So you can see our cake is all ready. I've cut it up, and you can see how light and spongy the cake is. Even the base of the cake has become a nice golden brown. And don't these slices of cake look really beautiful and so festive and just right for the Christmas season? So friends, I hope you liked this recipe. Thanks Elona once again for sharing this amazing recipe with me. So friends, if you really liked this recipe, don't forget to like, share this recipe with family and friends. Do subscribe to my channel, and once you have subscribed, ring the little golden bell so you get a notification. Visit Akshatas recipes. I have a load of Christmas recipes and more than 200 recipes. So go and check it out. And again, thank you so much for stopping by at my channel and watching my videos. Thank you, and see you in my next video. This is Akshata signing off. Take care guys. Bye.